Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this beautiful, very simple and fast liver today. I'm using beef liver. I've got about 450 grams there, or roughly about 2 cups in weight. Cut that up into kind of fairly chunky pieces. If you want, do it smaller. Right, frying pan, above medium heat. I've got some olive oil there. Use different oil if you want. 1 cup of onion. We're on a nice kind of, fairly vibrant heat here. When it kind of cook quite, quite fast. A tablespoon of garlic. Little mix there. We're just going to throw that around in the pan for like 2 to 3 minutes. Beautiful. Those onions are just kind of starting to cook down. Next up, cumin powder. I'm going to go just with 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. I'm going to go with some black pepper, and I'm going to go with some salt to taste. Now think about putting some chili powder in here, or some coriander or something like that. Kind of take it in a direction that you like. Let's just whiz that around again just for a minute. Okay, liver time. So in goes my liver. Like I say, it's about 2 cups in total. Now liver cooks quite quickly. You can see that the heat's fairly vibrant, and we're going to be stirring pretty much all of the time here, just for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. So I've got a tomato here, just 1 tomato that I've roughly chopped. In that goes. That's going to kind of act as a little bit of a sauce for us. So again, let's go for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring all the time. That's going to break down a little bit the tomato and give us, like I said, a little bit of a glaze there. Fabulous. We've done it, haven't we? Okay, little bit there of chopped parsley. You could be using cilantro if you want, or coriander. I'm using parsley, about a 1/4 cup that is. Little mix. Off goes the heat. Check it for salt. Job done. It's delicious. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Please don't forget to give me a little thumbs up if you enjoyed what you see. You can donate. There's a thanks button. Leave a comment. Do what you like, in fact. See you later.